Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app makes it easy to order food ahead of the time at participating quick service restaurants. With mobile food and beverage ordering, you can browse menus, customize your meal, choose a pickup window, pay in the app and skip the regular ordering line. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to order food in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for saving time during your Disneyland visit. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, sign into your Disney account, tap the plus button and select order food. You will see a list of participating restaurants. So after that, choose a restaurant, like next, browse the next restaurant, select the restaurant where you would like to eat, choose an available pickup window, and you will now be able to browse the restaurant's menu. Then build your order, like add food, food you'd like, browse the menu categories, select your food and drinks, customize eligible menu items if desired, and add everything to your cart. Okay, so you just tap here, this plus, and then order food from here, and you do what I just said. Okay, so review your order before continuing and complete your purchase. So before placing your order, review your order summary, confirm your pickup window, and choose your payments method and tap purchase. So your order will be saved in the app. Okay, so check in when you arrive, like when you reach the restaurant. Open your mobile order in the app, tap I'm here, prepare my order, or I'm available check-in button, and wait for the restaurant to prepare your meal. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.